you can find wholesale real estate deals and find buyers to flip those deals to with little to no money out of pocket. And that is one of the reasons why we're here today, is to cover the second part in this two-part video series. We shot the first video just a few days back, and it was in regards to how to find the best off-market deals using offline sources, right? Well, today what we're going to do is cover how to find the best deals using online sources. If you're interested in knowing how to do that, stay tuned. REI Geek Swagg, it's your time to get a bag. All right, you made it back to the second part of this two-part series, with this video essentially covering sources online you can use to find the best off-market deals. So how about we just go ahead and jump right into a few sources that I'm going to share with you to go ahead and start getting some inventory up under contract. That way you can start putting some dollars inside of your bank account. The first online source that I'm going to share with you is formerly known as GoSection8.com. Using this website called affordablehousing.com will give you access to all of the landlords who have properties listed in the Section 8 rental pool inside of your local market. So when you go over to affordablehousing.com, all you have to do is type into the search engine your city. Now you are going to see all of the properties that are listed in the Section 8 rental pool, and it's going to come up with all of these landlords' information. Now you're going to reach out to these landlords, you're going to inquire and just essentially ask them, are you considering selling, or would you consider selling your home for the right offer in today's market? Of course, they may not be interested in selling, nor they may. But if they aren't interested in selling that specific property, guess what? They're landlords. They are going to have multiple properties. Just because that one property may not be for sale does not mean they may not have another property for sale. So you want to make sure that you ask that follow-up question if that initial property that you reach out to them in regards to is not for sale. Another tip that you really need to be aware of, even if they don't want to sell anything in their portfolio, and I mean absolutely nothing, then you want to make sure that you ask them, are they interested in buying more properties? Why? Because they're landlords. They have properties listed in the Section 8 rental pool, and they may be interested in investing in more properties that they can add to their portfolio. The second online source that you can find off-market deals is a Craigslist. You're probably going to run into more wholesalers than actually running into sellers who actually have the title to the property, but that's okay. As long as you are connecting with people who are verified wholesalers that have off-market inventory, if you have buyers, then guess what, my friend? You get to now use that inventory. Free inventory is a free marketing source that you acquired the inventory from to now make money off of. What you're going to do when you find these potential opportunities, you're going to look for certain keywords. Now, when you go to Craigslist, you specifically want to go to the search engine and put in flippers, handyman specials, tender love and care, needs TLC, calling all landlords, attention flippers, fixer uppers, right? And so these are the properties that are going to allow you to buy below market value, so that way you can create a spread to make a decent profit. Third online source that you can find off-market deals has become very popular over the past few years is Facebook Marketplace. Similar to Craigslist, you're probably going to run into a lot of wholesalers who are looking to off their inventory, but that's quite okay. You want to get in touch with all of the sellers who have, especially verified wholesalers who control a lot of inventory in your marketplace. Now, do you want to be in a position to where you're direct to seller, to where you have leverage and control in the deal, controlling the entire outcome? And that's why you're here today on this channel, because this is exactly what we talk about. But just as you're getting your business off the ground and you're learning the ins and outs to this business, follow these steps that are laid out in these videos, because they're going to help you gain momentum, motivation, and enough confidence to continue to move forward in this business. Now, just like you did on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace is the same way. You're going to reach out to these investors or sellers. And don't get me wrong, there could be a pie in the sky there where you connect directly to a seller. But if not, do not become discouraged. This is about gaining momentum to get your business off the ground so we can get you to the closing table. So this is very important that you actually conduct these steps in this manner. Now, this last source, ladies and gentlemen, is probably the best tool that you can use online to find off-market deals, and you may have heard of it. It's widely known as PropStream. At some point, you're going to be utilizing PropStream in your business. It gives you access to at least 10,000 records per month for a fee of $97 per month. Without leads, without good data, ladies and gentlemen, you have absolutely no business. You're able to pull these leads within a matter of seconds, get them skip traced, and now sending out your SMS campaigns. You got your cold call campaigns going just like that. And every investor that I know uses it in their business, including mine. Every deal that I closed in 2021 came from PropStream. And it does way more than just aggregate your data. Amongst giving you access, pre-probates, tax delinquencies, liens, you have access to all vacant properties in any market that you desire to be in. If you're interested in utilizing the #1 software that's going to change your business, go ahead and click that link somewhere in the comment section or down below somewhere in the description. You'll be able to find it. You get a 7-day free trial. Try it out, see how you like it. And if so, go ahead, start utilizing that to the best of your abilities. Go ahead and do yourself a favor. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss out on any of the latest, greatest content, exclusive strategies that you won't find anywhere else delivered right here on REI Geek Swagg. Then you make sure you want to hit that subscribe bell button somewhere on the screen. We out. REI Geek Swagg, it's your time to